Yeah. So the today topic it is actions. So actions is one of the important topic in the Selenium. Okay. So with the help of actions, we can do lot of operations. No, normally, whatever we do using keyboard and mouse. Okay. So last time we did like keyboard and mouse, which is a click, unclick, and also like typing something using keyboard. Okay. Let's start doing something else. Okay, some wonders. Okay, they like this, and they say on mouse. Okay, double click, right click. Okay, those things we'll learn. Okay, and after that we'll learn some other interview programs actually. So I will show you. So one by one we'll go. So first let's learn like on mouse operations. Okay, so on mouse, what is the meaning of on mouse? Okay, so I'll show you something. So there is a big basket here. You can see, right? Let me copy paste here. Um, See this. Okay, big basket I have opened, and if you notice in the big basket, you're seeing all these things, right? Okay, so the regular operations you can do like clicking on this one, clicking on this one, you know, all those things. But now I will show you the new thing. There is a shop by category here. Okay, so when I place my mouse over there on the shop by category, see this, I'm getting some options like this. Okay, so something like a take an example of food grain, comma, oil and masala. Okay, I wanted to click on this. Okay, when I click on this, I'll be getting lot of options like this related to only that one. If you notice here, there is a, see this, food grain, oil and masala, because I have clicked on that one. So that's the reason it is showing that. Okay, so now see here, how do I click on that? So how do I place my mouse over here? And after that, I need to click on this. There are two jobs I have to do. Place your mouse over there and then click on that one. So how do I do? It is a easy, but little intelligence we have to add with the help of actions. Okay. So what is an actions here? Okay. In the line number 18, if you notice here, there is an action over here. Okay, actions. So see here, actions, it is a plural, it is not a singular actually. Majority of the people are doing action actually. It's not action, it is an actions. Okay, actions space act, that the normal object name. Okay, so what is an action, which is a class. When you are seeing C, right, it's nothing but a class. Okay, for that class I am creating an object. Okay, I am creating an object, new actions, and see here, I am passing the driver. I'm passing the driver here in the line number 18. If you notice, I am passing the driver here. This is the important thing here, because while creating an action, I am passing the driver to the actions. Okay, so that action can perform the UI operations now. Okay, how it will perform? That's the question actually. So it will perform by using line number 19. So yesterday we learned web element, right? What is the meaning of web element keyword? The web element is nothing but it can store driver dot find element. Okay, it can store. Okay, so based on that we can do any other operations. So for this web element, I have created one object. What is the object name? Something like a search. The object name, it is like a search. Okay, so what I have stored actually, driver dot find element by dot expert something something I have created. Okay, what is that? I will show you now first. So see this. Okay, this is an XPath for this guy. Okay, so when you do right click on this, when you click on the inspect, okay, so we know, right, how we are creating the XPath over here by using this one. So I have already created an XPath. You can see this, see this, it is highlighting actually. Okay, I have already created an XPath. Okay, simple, two slashes at a anchor tag in the square bracket, annotation class is equal to name of that class. Okay, I have given, so it is working fine. If you notice here, it is one of one only. Good, excellent. So come back here. Okay, so now what I am doing actually, so just like a look at the command. So act is nothing but action. Okay, so act dot move element, I am telling that move the element. So I am telling that move the driver. Okay, move the driver to search, move the driver to search. What is the search actually? Search is nothing but that menu box. Let's give the proper name, otherwise instead of search, right, it is a shop by category, right? In the line number 19, instead of search, I'm changing it to shop by cat. Okay, shop by category. So now you can copy this here and update over here, and as well as in the line number 24, and then this. Perfect. Okay. So see this. So shop by category. Okay, shop by category. So ACT dot move to element shop by category. What it is doing actually, it is going your cursor and placing at this place. It is going and placing over here. That's the thing actually. Once after placing that, as you know that after placing, what is happening actually? After placing here, you can see all these things. What I want to do, I wanted to click on this food grains, comma oil and masala. What is the XPath for that one? So I have already created for that XPath. Okay. So before going to the XPath, what I am doing actually the line number 20 again. So ACT move to element. It is placing the mouse over there. How it is placing? You have to use this command again. Okay. When you tell build.perform, when you tell build.perform, at that moment only it is placing the at that moment only it is placing the cursor. So this is how it will do actually. So build dot perform. This is the main important keyword actually. Okay. So ACT dot nothing but action dot move to element to so and so XPath. I am telling actually. So when you're typing this build dot perform at that moment only it is going there. So going there is nothing but it is placing the mouse over here. When you place the mouse over here, we are getting some options. That's it. After placing the mouse, I wantedly waiting the 5 seconds. I can wait 1 second also. That is enough. Okay. Why 1 second? Because after placing mouse over here, sometimes it will come immediately. Sometimes it may take some time to load that menu. You understand, right? If I place my mouse over here, it is coming very fastly. Sometimes it may take a half a second, at least 1 second. Okay. So that's why I have given a 5 seconds just for the to tell something. Okay. So, but you can use only 1 second is fine, 1000. And now in the line number 24, in the line number 24, it is interesting. Okay. So if shop by category dot, okay, yesterday we worked on the is enabled, is selected we have used, right? Okay. Yesterday is selected. For which one we are using? We use it for the check boxes. Okay. Like the same, we are having two more keywords, which is displayed and is enabled. What is displayed and what is enabled? Let's learn. Okay. So if shop by category is displayed and shop by category is enabled, I mean displayed is also fine, enabled we can ignore this one. Okay. So the meaning of this one, it is if that is available. Okay. If that element is available, go to this line number 25. I am telling that driver dot find element. Okay. On this XPath, click on this XPath, click. What is this XPath actually? This XPath is this guy, food grains, comma, oil and masala. See this. So I'll show here. See this, my XPath, this one. Okay. When I click on the enter, it is showing one of one. It is highlighting the highlighted one. Okay. Like that. So what we have to do to create the XPath, go here and right click on this, click on the inspect. By using this one, create the XPath. So here I am using the two actually, right? Why we use two? Yesterday we learned. Okay. This two is nothing but we are having two food grain, comma, oil and masala. Okay. But I want to click on the second one. We are having one and two. There are two XPaths are there, but I want to use only the second one. So that's why I am using the second one. So click on this.
Sir, you taken text. We
Sorry.
don't have any ID or class name or name.
Yeah, see here, we don't have the ID and class name we are having, but sometimes what will I will show you. See this anchor tag. So ng is available, data is available, and also ng-bind qa. There is a class actually. I think there should be some reason why I haven't take the class. Okay. Maybe it is changing dynamically. Okay. So that's the reason I have taken this text. What is this text? Food grains, comma, oil and masala. So you can copy this guy and you can paste it over here in the search, come there and paste it. That's it. Okay, so that's how you have to do. So that's why I have taken this one and then come back here. Yeah. So I have taken and I am telling that click on that one. Okay, assume that if it is not available, what it will print? Web element is not present. That's it. Okay, this is how you have to place your cursor there and click on the any web element. So that's why place your cursor by using actions. After that, same the regular option operations, which is driver dot find element, the text path dot click. That's it. If it is having any text boxes, driver dot find element dot send keys. That's it. Okay, these two operations. What the only thing is that to place the mouse over there, we have to use the actions. For actions, this is the code. Okay, and if you notice here, yesterday I was told you the benefit of web element. See here, I have created only once. I have used one, two, three times I have used. Instead of placing the entire this thing three times, right? I stored in one of the object I am using whenever it is required. It says like same as like a variable only. Okay, so now I will run this. Actions are used to place your cursor and type something on the screen. Okay, right click on the screen. Okay, double click on the screen. All these operations which you can do by using action. See this, it is clicked on the, can you see this? Food grains comma oil and masala. You can see, right, this guy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is how we have to do. Okay, these are the simple things, but it is very very important, especially in the interview. In the real time we are doing, that's for sure, but in the interview, right, they will ask you, can you tell me what are the commands which you used in the actions? They will ask you like that. Otherwise, I wanted to do the on mouse operations. How you will approach? They will ask you like that. Okay. Answer is same, but thing is that questions are different. So, am I clear here? Can I take silence as accepted or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, 1 second, tell me.
Okay. Where did you mean? Where you didn't understand here?
Yeah, yes, sir, actions.
Actions, right? So actions is a one of the class. With the help of that, you can use mouse and keyboard operations. Okay, mouse and keyboard operations in the sense, by using mouse, normally what we do, we place our mouse somewhere. Okay, and we do right click and we do click, and also we do on mouse. Okay, if you wanted to do such operations, right, at that moment, you can use this actions. Not only mouse, you can do the keyboard operations. What are the keyboard operations? Caps lock, shift, control, alt. Okay, page up, page down, those things also you can do with the help of this actions. Actions is only to work on the with the this mouse and keyboard operations. So what I did actually, the line number 18, I have created a object for that one. Okay, after creating an object, I am passing the driver to the actions. Okay, so now actions is having the full power of controlling my website. Okay, so that's why what I am doing, this is one of the web element actually. Okay, in the web element we can store any web element. So shop by category, it is I store. So see here in the line number 20, act, nothing but action dot move to element. I am telling that move the element to this X path. Okay, to this X path, and do the build dot perform. Build dot perform in the sense, it will execute the command. It will execute the command over there. What is the command I am telling? On mouse. On mouse is nothing but just simple command. Move to element. That's it. When you tell move to element, right, it will do the on mouse operation. Okay, and then I'm waiting for the 5 seconds, and by using if conditions, so if the shop by category is displayed and is enabled right on the screen, then driver dot find element on this X path, click on that one. So after placing my mouse over there, we are having some different options. On the different options, I want to click on the food grains comma oil and masala. That's it. This is how I am doing actually. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Good. So same thing we'll do another one, which is I wanted to enter the caps. Okay, caps in the sense upper cases. Okay, see here, here I am giving the lower case. Okay, if you do like this also, it will work. Tomato, it will work directly uppercase. There is no issues. But by any chance, you're getting the data in the form of lowercase. Okay, but you want to type in the uppercase. Okay, in that case, what you have to do? Same again, actions. I told you, right? With the help of actions, keyboard and mouse. So now I am doing the keyboard operations. In the last example, mouse. Now I am doing the keyboard. So how? Action dot move to element search. Okay, search is nothing but this is one of the uh, XPath, web element XPath, okay, which is for this one. So I will show you what exactly I am doing. So see this, I want to type something over here. What I want to type? I want to type tomato here. Okay, I wanted to type tomato on this search. Okay, how do I achieve that one? Okay, I wanted to type tomato, but in the uppercase only I wanted to type. The regular typing you know already, which is driver dot find element XPath dot send keys. That is okay. But you are getting the data in the form of lowercase, but you wanted to make it uppercase. Okay, so that's a thing actually. See here, I will do one thing in the line number 21. See, string. Okay, vegetable name is equals to tomato. See this, vegetable name is tomato. See, I am passing this vegetable name here in the send keys. See this. Okay, I am giving the input data as a lowercase, but it should enter in the uppercase. That's the problem solving question here. Okay, so see here,
Sir,
ACT.
can you remove the unnecessary part 29 to 36 and
Okay,
17 to 19, 17 to 18?
17 to 18 is required, right? Which is
70 is not required.
it is to maximize the window, right?
Yes,
Okay,
you can
and this
remove
is
that.
like an implicit weight. It is already required. Why? Because to load the page. So these are the standard. See, first of 4 5 lines, right? These are the
Hmm.
standard thing. If you have to copy paste in each and every test case. Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
you can remove this 29 line.
29. Yeah, I can remove. You're confusing.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's commented already. Okay, fine. Okay, now the code is very simple now. So see here, I have created a one string which is veg name. Okay, now the regular operations. So I wanted to do shift operation. Shift, when you when you click shift, right, you can use the upper cases, right? Like the same here, what I am doing, I am using the shift here. So before that one, I wanted to find the X path of the search. So this is the X path for that one. I stored in the search. Okay, so see this, act dot move to element search. So with the help of this, what is happening actually, my cursor is moving there. Okay, and then what I am doing, click. After moving there, I am clicking on that edit box, and after clicking on that one, what I am doing, keys down. I am telling that keys down. Okay, keys down operation I am doing. Keys down in the sense you have to click something on the keyboard. What I am clicking actually, keys dot shift. Keys dot shift. So not only keys dot shift, you can do a lot of options. See this, keys dot. When I say keys dot, it is telling, see this, add, alt, arrow down, arrow left, arrow right, arrow up, backspace, cancel, clear, command, control. Lot of things are there. F1. Complete your uh, keyboard. You can do the control actually. Okay. Now what I want actually, keys down, shift I want to do. Okay, keys down, shift. After this, what I want to do, after clicking on the shift, now I wanted to enter the data by using send keys, and I am passing the veg name, which is tomato, in the lowercase, but it will do the, it will enter on the website with the uppercase, and then build.perform. To execute this entire command, I have to use the build.perform command. That's it. Okay, and then I'm waiting for 5 seconds just to, I mean, not required also this one, 5 seconds. I will remove this code also. Why to confuse? That's it. Okay. And now run this. So see here, once after loading the web page, it is going to the edit box and clicking over there and typing the tomato in the uppercase. See, still the web page is loading. I don't know if it will work or not. We have given max of 10 seconds. Let it load. Come on, fast. Yes, it is entered. Tomato in the uppercase. I have given lowercase, but it is entered uppercase with the help of actions. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
all these things are important in the interview.
Can you explain this line once again? The act dot move.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, simple. See, act dot nothing but action dot move to element search. What it will do? It is placing your cursor over here. This one. Okay, it is placing your cursor over here. Okay, and after that, what is the next? Click. Okay, what it is doing? It is clicking over here. Okay, and what is next? The next one, it is keys down. Okay, keys down. Okay, keys down. Shift is nothing but in the keyboard it is clicking on this. It is clicking on this in the keyboard. Okay, and after that I'm telling send keys wedge name. Now it is going back. It is typing over here. Okay, and then the next one, it is build.perform. Build.perform is nothing but the entire this one is there, right? This entire command is going to be execute with the help of build.command. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Mm. So
Sir,
that
where
is
we taken the xpath input dot id 24th line.
this is this one, right? I wanted to enter. So where I want to enter, I want to enter it over here. So this
No,
X path
text
is
box.
this. Yeah,
Text
text
box.
box. Yeah, this guy. Text box, right? Let me control F, control V. See this. It is highlighting. So this is how you wanted to, whenever you want to do the like a capstone operations. And like the same, we are having one more thing, double click. 99% we do only single click on the website. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
99% we do the only single click only on the websites. Okay. Websites, we, websites we do the single click. Okay. Website we do the single click, and for the Windows operation. Who is that man? Go on mute. Okay. So on the these things, okay, we have to do the double click operations. Yes or no? Okay. I have to do the like double click operations on the Windows. Okay. So on the website we do only single click, but there is very rarely we use double click on the websites. Okay. There is a chance actually, very rarely. Okay. So in that moment, it is very simple actually. Very simple. Same commands. Act move to element. Click over there. Type something. After, I mean, I don't have any example actually in the websites. Okay. So that's why what I am doing actually, I'm typing something on the website. On the website, I'm typing something. And on this tomato, right? I am doing the double click operations. Okay. So after double clicking, what will happen actually? It is highlighting that text. See this. So sending the keys this tomato, and then I'm doing the double click of simple dot double click, and then execute. That's it. Nothing else. So it's very simple. Something wrong. It does not exist. Oh. Double click. What happened? Let me copy this line. Now run this. Yep. The driver was not updated properly. Now I have updated. Perfect. See this. It is entered and then it is double clicked on the text. That's why it went properly. Okay. And now I will show you something else. Okay. Which is interesting one actually. Okay. So how do you right click on the website? Normally we do the right click, right? So this is the silly one. Okay. It's not required, but I'm telling. So normally we do right click. Okay. So whether the right click operations are working or not. Okay. Sometimes we may do check that one also. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to use this command. Again, same act.move to element. See here, context.click. When you say context.click, right, at that moment it is doing the right click operations. When this is silly one, okay, not that much important. So I will show you. Right click on the web page, and this is double click on the web element. That's it. Okay, that's how. So someone is asking a question in interview, how questions come regards to this. Okay, yeah, in the interview they will try to ask you like this. I want to double click on the web page. What is your approach? Okay, then they will either one more question is like, I want to place a mouse, okay, at some point, what you will do? Okay, like on mouse operations. Okay, and also like right click you can do, caps you can do, all those things like that. They'll try to ask you, and I have set of interview questions also. I will send you those things. So this is double click, caps done, on mouse operations done, and the another one it is get the footer links. What is the meaning of footer? I first will explain the theory part, and then we'll go with the practical thing. So footer in the sense, for every web page we are having headers and footers. Okay, so see here, what is the header here? So if you notice, you go to the entire big basket. Okay, you will be seeing this as a header in entire big basket wherever you go. See, it is, I am clicking on the somewhere sign up, not this one actually. I'll click on the this food grain and oil. Okay, this header is available. I am clicking somewhere in the beverages. Okay, this header is available wherever you go, in any websites, in Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, whatever it is. Okay, every web page is having some header and footer. Okay, header is nothing but the title of, I mean, this logo and search box and then login items and all. Okay, what footer contains? Footer contains website information. So let me show you. See this, wherever you go in any website, can you see this footer? Footer is nothing but these things. Okay, like this. So which is help, download our app, get social with us, and then some information of the web page. See this, something is overlapping actually. This is a very bad programming from the big basket. I don't know whether they noticed or not. See how it is coming. This is not a good one actually, even for them. See, now it is coming properly. After that, sometimes it is not working. See here, these are the footer links. Okay, you go to the any page. So this is somewhere in the beverages page. I am going to the home page. Even in the home page also, you will see the same footer. See this, same footer. Okay, so from the footer, if you notice here, we are having some set of links here, and set of links over here, and set of links, some icons here, get some other icons here. Okay, now what I my target it is, get all these links from the big basket heading, or else get all these links from the help. There is a question like this in the interview. Okay, these things we don't use in the interview real time, but questions are coming in the interview only. They will try to check your ability in the selenium. Okay, so how do you do? So you know how to click and how to do the right click and how to do all those things, but these are little advanced. Okay, they'll try to ask you. Okay, so in this case, what you have to do it is, so see here, so let me delete the unnecessary code so that don't afraid. Okay, so see this. Okay, we have to use driver dot find elements. See this. Can you see? Driver dot find elements. Okay. So far we are using driver dot find element. Find element is belongs to only one single web element, whereas find element is belongs to multiple web elements. So if you notice here, this is the complete thing for that one. And see the XPath, you will wonder this by seeing this XPath. It is very confusing XPath actually for you. Okay, I will construct this XPath, okay, manually. I don't want to copy paste this one. So first check what is this XPath. Okay, what I have written. I mean I don't copy paste this one. First I will show you manually. Okay, so see this. This XPath is belongs to, see this. All these things are coming one by one. It is highlighting actually. Okay, so what I am doing here, it is, this is the XPath, and let me keep it here. Okay, and let's see here. Shashank, go on mute. Okay, you're watching news, huh? Okay. So see here how I will do. I wanted to capture, I want to capture all these things. How do I capture? Okay, so if you notice here, just place your mouse over here. Okay, when you place your mouse over here, you will get only one web element. See this, only one web element is coming. But I want all these things: about us, in news, green basket, privacy policy, all these web elements. How do I achieve that one? Okay, so to achieve that one, I wanted to grab all the, see this, when I place my mouse over here, it is not working. When I place my mouse over, see this, when I place my mouse over on the UL, okay, see here, when I place my mouse over on the UL, see this, the entire links are going to be coming. So about us, in news, green, privacy, all these things are coming actually. Okay, so how to get the entire thing in a one single web element? So far, one XPath or whatever it is for only one thing. But now what I want to do it is, I want to fetch all the web elements in a one single XPath. Okay, how do I achieve that? Okay, that's a question here. So to achieve that one, what I have to do it is, let's do some typical XPath I have to write. Okay, so see here, this is the entire thing is coming, but does it having any ID, name, class name for this UL?
No.
No, sir.
No. When it is not having ID, class name, and name, right? What we have to do? We have to go to the parent. We learned yesterday, parent to child. Who is a parent actually? This guy is a sibling. Okay, this guy is the parent actually. Okay, now div class. Okay, copy this. Okay, Control F, two slashes, div, open and close at the rate, class is equals to this one. Okay, div class is coming like this. Okay, so if you notice, div class is showing one of two. What is the one of two? The first one is, second one is this one. The first one is this one. Okay, what is our target? First one, right? Okay, see this. Second one is coming, contact us, BB wallet, and all those things. First one is coming, the one which we require. Okay, now if you wanted to go with the first one, what we have to do? We have to keep it in the braces.
One.
Braces, and go to the end, open and close of this square brackets, and then type 1. So now it is coming the first one. Perfect, done. And now what is the next job I have to do? Okay, after that one, so H4 I don't want actually. So this is a child. What a child name? UL. Tag name is UL slash UL. Perfect. Still it is showing only one of one only. But how many I want actually? I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I want actually. How do I achieve? Okay, and after that we are having li. Okay, li. So slash li. When I say li, how much number it is showing? 1 of 9. 1 of 9 is showing actually. Okay, which is nothing but my target is almost reached. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want to fetch all these things at a time. Okay, almost I reached. Okay, what I have given, li I have given. Okay, but li is anchor tag? No, li is not an anchor tag. Okay, what is anchor tag? See this one. By using this one only, we are having the links. From the day one we are using, wherever you go, any links, any link is starting with the a. A is nothing but anchor tag. See this, less than a. Less than a is nothing but anchor tag. Whenever you see less than a, right, it is a link. That's it. Okay, so see this, I will put slash a. See, entire thing is constructed and it is showing the 1 of 9. Now copy this entire x path, go back here, delete the existing one, and now paste it. Now the important thing it is, if you notice here, I am using the find dot elements. I am not using find element. I don't want single web element. I want bunch of web elements actually. So that's why I'm using the find dot find elements I wanted to use. Okay. So for web element, today we are using find elements. So with this X path, I am getting something around 9. Okay. It may change in the future also 2. It may change to 9 to 2 or 9 to 100. We never know. But with this X path, we'll get that one. Okay. So now what I want actually, I wanted to store this entire thing into the one of the web element. Okay. If it is a single web element, we have to use a single web element like this, but it is a multiple web elements. Okay. Because 9 web elements are coming with the help of that one. So that's why I am using list of web elements. See this. This is list web element. List is in the sense it is storing the all the web elements in one of the list. It is storing all the web elements in one of the list. Normally, how we have arrays, right? We learned arrays. What is an array? An array can store multiple variables like a 1, 2, 3, 4. In a single array, we can store multiple variables. Like the same, in a single list command. So list is a one of the collection actually. Okay. So we are learning part of collection, not the 100%. So list can store web element. List can store web element. Why? Because array cannot store web element. Array can store only our regular data types, which is integer, string, all those things. But to store the web elements, what we have to use? We have to use a list command. Okay, list of web elements. So now this entire all 9 web elements are stored in the list. Okay, all the web elements are stored in the list, and then from here it is very simple. So see here, I will tell that total links, footer links. So I'm getting all the links here, and now I wanted to print all those in the system.out.println. Okay, I want to print all the 9 links names. What are the 9 links names here? So see here, what are those? About us, new, something 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 till ending with BB daily, BB business. So all those I wanted to print actually. Okay, so how do you print? You are stored that one in the footer links, right? Okay, with the help of footer links you can print those things. So I am printing like this: for loop integer I is equal to 0, I less than footer links dot size. When you say footer links dot size, it is getting the size, how many. So as of now it is 9, right? It is getting the size of 9. Okay, size of 9, and then I plus plus, the regular for loop only, this one. Okay, if you wanted to go with the array, what is array actually? So array name dot length.
Length.
Here it is size. That's the difference actually. Okay, if it is an array, it is a length. Okay, if it is this one, it is a size. Okay, and what is the next one here in the line number 28? Okay, I wanted to print them. Okay, if it is an array, right, what I have to do? I'll do like this: arr of I use it to do actually if it is an array. Okay, but here I am, what I am using, I am almost using the same thing, but footer links. Where is that? Yeah, footer links footer links dot get of I. I'm telling that get the I. So get the I in the sense it is going to the first one. It is going to the first one. Okay. It is going to the first web element in this one. It is going to the first web element. We wanted to fetch the data, right? To fetch the data, what is the command which we are using? Get text. Okay. If it is a normal web element, we have to use the get text. If it is a edit boxes, what we have to use? Get attribute we have to use. Now what I am using? I am using the get text. See this. Get text I am using, and that's it. Okay. The entire name of the link, it is coming like this. So footer link dot the position. I wanted to fetch the first one. Okay. And then get text of that one. So I'll be getting here. So now run this. Go with the recording again, especially for this. Okay, it is little tricky. This is another important question in the interview. They will ask, everyone knows what is driver dot find element, but very few people knows what is driver dot find web elements. They will try to ask you what is the difference between driver dot find element and driver dot find web elements. Sorry, find elements. Sorry. Okay. So find element and find elements. Find element, it's a singular. You're targeting only one web element. Find elements, it is a plural. We are targeting multiple web elements. Okay. So I am targeting all these web elements here. Okay. So come back here and see, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All 9 I am getting here. Okay. So this is coming from this guy, and see here, this is coming from this guy, total links. Okay. So if you're trying to print this total links, right, it is showing the garbage value. See this, you cannot print that, you cannot use this footer links directly. See this, it is showing some unreadable format. See this, it is showing some unreadable format. All the XPath it is showing. We don't want XPath, we want the output of the text. So in that case, you have to use this guy. Don't use system.out.println of footer links. Okay, this is not a good command. This is a bad practice. This is a good practice to print the all the web elements. So this is how you have to work. So the new keyword what we are learning here, it is, which is a list. List can store the web elements. Remember, list can store the web elements. Remember that one. Okay, that is an important thing here. Okay, am I clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can
Enough,
we,
sir, for today.
Sorry.
Enough, sir, for today.
can we remove one of the
News line, huh?
yeah,
Who is that man? Every time you are only right. Last time also you asked.
which one, sir?
When someone else also asked, remove the unnecessary code.
Not the code, sir. I'm asking, can we remove the a list of the we have, right? In the list, can we remove one of the word?
You from this one.
Yes, yes, yeah.
It will tell you a web element. See, I'm removing the A. Okay, save it. Now you want me to run?
Yes, yes.
It will tell you it don't fetch any values. If I am correct, it don't fetch any values. So yeah, I know it is enough for today. If I'm teaching, right, see this. It is throwing the error. Why? Because invalid selector exception. So you are trying to fetch, but it is an invalid tag. Okay, what you are targeting here, you are targeting the li. Li does not have anything actually. It is a very simple tag. Okay, only anchor tags are having the data, right? So see this, that's why it is saying invalid selector exception. And see this, unable to locate an element with XPath of this because of the following error. What is error actually? So syntax error, failed to execute evaluate on document the string. So it is unable to fetch the string. That is what it is telling actually. the string. Okay, it is unable to fetch that one. Why? Because on the li we don't have anything. If you come back here, if you right click on this, click on this, this is the li. Does it li is having any string here? No, but anchor links are having the strings. See this, about us is a string of the anchor link. Again expand the li. In use, come down, again expand the li. Under the li only we are having the anchor tag. So that's why li/a.
Sir,
Like
sir,
this.
my question, yes, sir, I got it. But my question was, in that about us, we have nine list, right? Can we, uh, like, can we remove one of them and can we execute? Like,
Then you have to use uh, this is footer size is there, right? Footer size -1.
okay.
Footer size -1. Right click on this. Now run this.
We can use I equals to
1 also.
continue.
Continue. Yeah, continue you can use if you don't want to print any specific thing. Now he wanted to print only few things. Acha, sorry. I have to use /a here. And now run this. See here, it is printing till BB daily only. But we are also having one more thing, which is BB business. Okay, I said size, not size actually, length, right? Okay, length -1. There is that. It is here. Length size only, right? Yeah, size -1. So it is printing -1 here. And someone is asking if you don't want to print the privacy policy. Okay, so you know that one. Okay, if footer links dot get of I dot get text.
Sir, continue break we వాడొచ్చు సార్ ఇది.
అన్ని వాడచ్చు, రెగ్యులర్ గా వాడే సేమ్ థింగ్ యూ కెన్ యూస్. ఇఫ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు this one, what you have to tell it is continue. Okay, so what happened here? So I'm removing the -1. I don't want to print the privacy policy. Okay, so continue. So run this. See this, it is not printed that one. It didn't print the privacy policy. See here. Again 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All your like expertise in the for loop, but anything you can use. There is no restrictions. Okay, there is no restrictions. Okay, I'll
One thing I have a doubt that
Yeah.
why we are using XPath, why we are not using like diver dot find element by dot something string or something.
by dot id, you mean by dot
Yeah.
id, by dot
Yeah.
name and all, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so XPath is one of the best method to find out a element. Okay, when compared with the id and the name and the class name. Okay, and whenever we are having a duplicate, right, at that moment again we are using the XPath. Okay, when we wanted to go with like a parent and child, we want to go with the like XPath. Okay, siblings XPath, child to parent XPath. For all these things only one solution, which is XPath only. It cannot be done with the help of by dot id or by dot name or class name. That's the reason we use XPath actually. Even in the interview also, people will ask from the write XPath for this one, write XPath for that one, and all those things.
Okay. So we can do everything with XPath compared to
Yes, even
find element by
yes,
dot
yes,
ID.
yes, exactly. Even though you don't have the any attributes in a tag like id, name, class name, you don't have, but still you wanted to work, right? At that moment again, XPath is a solution for everything, one stop solution, which is an XPath.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I shared my mail IDs.
Yeah, I will check that one before the ending the class. Okay, I'll see why it is a problem. Okay, so coming back to the this programs, which is arrow down, keys arrows down. So it is a very simple one actually. Okay, simple one. What I want actually, I wanted to go to the Amazon.com. Okay, I'll show you. So I want to open incognito Amazon, and what happened? No, this Amazon. See here, Amazon I have opened, and I want to type something like a Colgate. Okay. Now what I want actually, I want to click on this one or this one, the fourth one or second one or fifth one I wanted to click. Okay. What I am doing, I am moving my up and see, I am doing like this. I'll click on these things. Okay. After typing this, I will use this. See this. It is going down. It is going up. Okay. So up and down arrows. Okay. So how do I see? I want to click on the Colgate total. See, selected this, click on this, enter. It will go over there actually. So Colgate total, it is coming here. Okay. So how to achieve that one? Okay. How to achieve that one? It's very simple. Okay. So by listening the like theory, it is very hard, but it is very simple. So what you have to do it is, so in the line number 19, if you notice here, it is Amazon.com I have given, and I have taken the XPath of the search box. What is XPath of search box? So as you can see here. So go here and right click, inspect, and Control F, Control V. Oh, it's not working or what? I forgot to take this one. Okay. Yeah. And yeah, see this.
Close bracket.
Yeah, this is the XPath for that one. Okay. So now I have taken the XPath. It is working. Fine, 1 of 1. So on the same XPath, I'm typing Colgate. Done. Okay. Now what I want, I am waiting, like wantedly I'm waiting 5 seconds. Why? Because
Sir, you taken star.
you can take star also, that's not a problem. So what the meaning of star here it is, you can give either input. I mean, you may be asking like we have to take the input, right? Yes, still you can take the input. I have taken something star, right? But you can take the input also. Even input also, it is 1 of 1 only. Okay. Mostly we have to take input only, but somehow I have taken a star. Let me change it. But
And
that's
the
okay.
text
Anything.
also in the double quotes and reverse slash.
That is here something, while copy pasting it went wrong, but it's okay. It will work. Okay. I'll change it to this one. Nothing wrong in that, right? So, but it will work. That is a replace. See, it is. I think you will confuse. I'm changing all those things. And yes, now it is good. Our regular code. There is no like magic here. So see here, I am typing something which is a Colgate, and then I am waiting for 5 seconds. I mean, yesterday also I told you, after typing anything, okay, if you are getting any options, right, at that moment, it is good to wait. Okay, it is good to wait at least 1 second. Okay, at least 1 second. Why? Because after we type, it may take some time to load that. It may take some time to load that one actually. Okay, so for that reason, normally what we do is we are using this thread.sleep, or else we're having one more option which is explicit wait. Actually, we haven't learned that one, so that is little advanced. I'll teach you sometime later. So now I am doing manually, like I'm waiting for 5 seconds. Okay, so manually I'm waiting 5 seconds, and then see here. After waiting 5 seconds, I am getting the options. Okay, from the options, what I want actually, I wanted to do the key arrow down 1, 2, 3 times. Simple. Send keys, we have to tell keys dot arrow down, keys dot arrow down, and keys dot arrow. If you wanted to 3 times, go with the 3 times. 4 times, type 4 times. That's it. Enough. Apart from that, nothing. And then After typing 3 times, okay, I wanted to click on the enter. That's it. It is clicked on the enter. And then what it is doing actually, it is verifying. Okay, it is verifying on the so and so X path, on so and so X path. So let me do one thing after 3 times, right? So delete 1, 2, 3, enter. And see here. And also this is my X path. So if you notice, where is my X path? To see here, 24 results for Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Okay, so 24 results for Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, and then it is coming actually. But now what I am doing, I am not checking the entire text. Okay, I want to check at least only the partial text. If the text contains Colgate, right, I am telling that my test case is passed. Indirectly, at least I landed into the Colgate page. Something, it may be Max Fresh, it may be total, or it may be like a plain, this Colgate, anything is fine for me. So if you notice here, XPath get text, what I am telling contains. If that get text contains Colgate, right, then execute the line number 29 as a pass. If that get text not contain Colgate, then make it as a fail. Okay, now run this. We'll do the pass and fail both. See this. 3 times it has to go down. No, something wrong. What happened? Where is the issue actually? On line number 24.
24, sir.
24. I'm running again.
Sir, that selenium was different.
Yeah, let it run. So it says, it is typing, it is going 3 times actually. Okay, but it is not clicking, right?
So there is spelling mistake in one line.
Yeah, there is a spelling mistake.
ARCH got extra.
Line number 24 also. Sir.
To tab search text box. This is also should be that one.
Sir,
No,
line number
sir.
24 such spelling mistake.
Spelling is mistake, sir. SECHAR.
Okay, let's do one thing. Go here. ID. Okay, now you are telling me. So I'm making back changes. To tab SEARCH, right?
Yes, sir.
Search text box. I don't think so it will work. I'm expecting something different error. Here also, right? And here also. So 9:40, yeah. I want to leave at 10 o'clock. No, 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 no. Okay. Something wrong. Line number 23. Okay, so let me do this 3. It is working now. Seems I was corrupted the code maybe for a demo, I think. Okay, in the when I'm teaching the last time, right? For other students, I think I have changed it manually. I think that's why it is not. Now it is see, it is typed 3 times 1, 2, 3, and I clicked on the enter. So after clicking on the enter, it navigated this page and see this Colgate is coming, and also it should tell it is a pass. Go back here. Yes, it is a pass. Now what I will do in the line number 28, instead of Colgate, right? I will go with something different, which is opposite Patanjali toothpaste. I'll go. Okay. Anyone uses Patanjali Ayurvedic toothpaste? Let's try. Okay. If it is coming Patanjali, right? It is a fail actually because I am searching for the Colgate. It should show the only Colgate result. It not I mean apart from Colgate, right? Not supposed to show the Colgate. Okay. So now it will go quickly. Yes, done. Again, Colgate is coming, but in the result, it should fail. See this, it is failed. Why? Because I am looking for the Patanjali. Okay, but it found something else. So that's why it is failed. It is showing over here, failed. Okay, in the test case. So this is how you have to do keys down operation. Okay, that is a one thing. And the next one it is,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, in keys, arrows don't. Once can you open that?
Okay. Yeah.
Can you please tell line number 28 code, sir? XPath once.
See, you know till here actually. Okay, which is with the help of this XPath, I'm getting the data from the UI. See here, what I am doing actually, I'll elaborate now. I think we already so string. Okay, so string text, nothing but okay, search text is equals to this one. See this. Now you know, right? This command, what it will do? It will get the text from the text path. Okay, what is the text actually? It is returning string. String is nothing but from this X path. See this, from this X path it is getting the text actually. So I'll show you. Copy this, go back here, and see the X path. Control A, Control V. See this, when I click on the this one, right, it is highlighting this entire text. Okay, from this text I am checking whether it contains Colgate or not. Colgate can be anywhere, either front or middle, at the end. I am not bothering. That's why I'm telling whether it contains or not. So that's why search text, right? So copy the search text and paste it here. If this search text contains Patanjali, it will tell as a pass. Okay, else it will tell as a fail. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
It's like that. Okay, this is all about this one. Okay, now let's go with another example, which is table handling. This is another this is for the like seniors actually. The person who is telling I'm having 4 years of experience or 5 years experience, right? For them, they move the people most likely ask. Okay, so I will show you what is that, all those things. So if you notice, let me go to this page and then I'll show you the page table. See this, this is the one of the website, W3 schools and learning website actually. So if you notice, this is a table. It's a table, right? A table is having some headings, okay, columns and rows. What is a table actually? A table contains rows and columns. Okay, a table contains, see, all these are rows. Okay, all these are columns. Okay, a table is a combination of rows and as well as columns. Okay, now here the intention it is, I wanted to fetch only the contact names. I want to fetch only company names, or else I want to fetch only the countries. This may be the requirement. Or I want to fetch only this row. Only this row. Okay. So when I write the XPath, it should return 1, 2, and 3. Okay. It should be like that. Okay. Either you have to go with a complete row or you have to go with a complete column. Okay. That's the requirement. Okay. So how do you achieve? Okay. Yesterday I told you, okay, whenever you wanted to get the bunch of results, right, at that moment we have to use the find dot elements, plural elements. Okay, remember that one. So plural I have to use, so like this. So I will show you the XPath what I have written here. So copy this. Okay, and let's check first how it is working, and then I will explain the code line by line. So now if you notice here, it is showing 1 of 6 for this XPath. Okay, why it is showing 1 of 6 and what are those things? It is showing the all the contact names. It is returning all the contact names. How it is returning contact names for this XPath? Okay, so let me copy the XPath. I will explain line by line. So see here, this is my XPath. What is that one? Table, open and close, at the rate ID is equal to customers. Okay, so I am doing that one. So how do I get this XPath? So I'll show you. So 1 second, let me clear this. Keep it again once here. Somewhere, yeah, it is here. I'm updating. Yeah, see here. So I wanted to get the only contact address, right? Contact names. So right click on this, click on the inspect, and see here in the inspect element. So this is highlighting only TD. This is highlighting only TD, and this is highlighting only another one, and this is highlighting only another one. Now I want to fetch all these things. So who is the parent of this? TR. Who is the TR? Does not have anything. Even TR also the sibling. So this is a TR different, and this TR is different. Again we need a parent. Who is the parent? TD. But unfortunately, TD does not have any ID, name, class name. So again, who is the parent of T body?
div.
Table. T body above table is there. Above table div is there. So I can go with the table because I'm having some ID to the table. If table is not having any ID, then I have to go with the div. But as of now, table child is T body. Under this T body, we are having TR. TR is nothing but this one. TR is a first row. Second TR is second row. Third TR is third row. Fourth TR is fourth row. Okay. From the I want it from the second TR, right? Now what I want actually, open this. Okay. So write the XPath. Okay. Table ID. So delete this one. 2 slashes table, open and close. @ID is equals to this one. Done. And after that, who is that? Next, children of the table, it is T body. T body is the children. Now slash. Okay. After T body, who is the children of the T body? TR.
Yeah.
TR. How many rows are coming? That's the question here. Here I am getting total 7. I'm getting total 7. See here. What are the 7 actually? 1. It is including from the contact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is telling. But I want only these things. I want only these things. I don't want the contact. Okay, I just want only these things. In that case, how to achieve? Okay, in that case, how to achieve? That's the question actually here. So as of now, I am getting all these things, all the rows. Entire rows I can fetch 1, 2, 3, any rows I can fetch. Okay, if I say this X path, right? Okay, with this X path, okay, if I say in the braces of, if I say in the square bracket 1, right, it is fetching the first record. If I say 2, right, second row. If I say 3, third row it is coming. But my intention it is not the rows. I want the columns actually. How to do that one? Okay, let me delete all these things. Okay, so what I want, I'll erase this. Yeah. Okay. Now if you notice here, T body, TR slash. After this, I wanted to fetch which one? The first row? No. I want to go with the second TR. Under the second TR, I'm having a TD. I'm having a TD actually. So TR of TD. Okay, see this. When I say TR of TD, it is fetching, see how many now? 18. Can you see 18? What is the meaning of 18? 18 is nothing but these things. Okay, 6, this 6, and this 6. Combination of all these three things, it is how many? 18 actually. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now what I want actually, I wanted to only this one, not this one, and also not this one. That is another question again. Again, we have to drill down. How to drill down now? So this is a 1TD, this is a 1TD, and this is a 1TD. Now I will tell this is a TD1 and this is a TD2 and this is a TD3 actually. Okay. If I say in the square bracket, if I say 1, it is fetching the only the company name. See this. Only the company names. If I say TD2, it is fetching the contact names. Now I want only contact names, right? So this is my X path. So copy this, go back here and paste it here. And now I said we have to store in the find elements. Actually also we learned find elements, this one, because I am fetching multiple values from the website. Okay, that's why it is find elements. Okay, when it is I'm storing multiple values, right, I cannot use a single web element. Actually I have to use a list of web elements. That is nothing but this one. Okay, now here I'm giving an object. The object name it is get element. Okay, in the line number 26, get element dot size, nothing but how many are there? As of now 6, right? The 6 is coming here. That's why integer size, it will become 6 after exporting this line. And now in the line number 28, what I am doing, I want to print them. I want to print them. How do I print? So see this, get element is there, right? Get element of, see this, in the line number 29, get element dot get of I. Okay, we are having 6, right? Get of I, nothing but 0th position, get the text. Get element of 0th position, get text, which is name. Okay, and system dot out dot println contact name. Contact name is name again. Okay, so it is printing. I'm storing the name over here, and then it is I'm printing over here. Okay, so how do I get this one? The help of this one, get element dot get of I get text. So that's how I can get the text of the from each row. Okay, so this is the coding to fetch that. So this is how you can handle the tables. This is how you are handling the tables. Handling the tables is little difficult, but I'm telling you, right, this is question is for the seniors, more than 4 years, 5 years, or 3.5 years, something like that. Okay, not for the freshers or 1 or 2 years people, gap people actually. Okay, so see the X path how I have written. Okay, try to practice the same XPath multiple times so that you will understand, okay, this is for this one and this is for this one. Okay, when you do all these like practice, right? Okay, then only you will understand, okay, we can write XPath like this, we can write XPath like that. See here, I have given the TD of 2. What will happen if I do the TR of 2? TR of 2 here. When I say TR of 2 and TD of 2, I'm getting only one. What is also that one? Which is the Maria Andres. This one only it is highlighting actually. So you have to try that one. Okay, all those things. What is a TR? Why I have given the TR2? Why? Because this is the first TR, this is second TR. Okay, that's why it is entered to the TR of 2. And then TD of 2, because this is the first TD and this is the second TD. Okay, like that. So you have to increase your intelligence over here. Okay, if you notice TR, 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 and TR and TR. Okay, under the TR we are having the TDs, these things, TDs actually. So when you practice, right, at that moment only you will understand all these things. Okay, so this is all about the working on the this one. Let me run this and get the output. I think by now, yeah, it is done. Okay, so see here, I'm getting all the contact names. How many? 6, right? See this. This is total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, all the names I am getting. So this is how you have to write the code. Okay, so there is a one more program I thought to explain. The last one it is. Okay, so after this I'll close the session. Okay, so see here, DOM. Okay, DOM methods, or you can call JavaScript DOM methods. Okay, I'm telling you, right, I have used such type of code in my entire life only 2 times. Okay, this again, this is also for the more than 4 or 5 or 6 years of experience, guys. Okay, this is a very rarely people will ask the question, but people definitely ask for the senior people, but it is very simple. Okay, first I will tell you the theory and then I will go with like a practical. Okay, even for the freshers also, if you understand, it is good. It's a very simple one actually. We just need to like by heart the code over here. Okay, so what I am telling here, it is I have a big basket. Okay, I have a big basket. Okay, so where is the big basket? It is the big basket here. Big basket is here. Okay, I wanted to type something here. Okay, I want type something here. What is XPath for that one? So the XPath is, I think I have copied already. See this one of 188. Oh, not this, not this. Where is this? This is the XPath, right? Copy this. One of one. It is coming actually. Okay. So just imagine you have created this XPath. It is showing one of one. It is showing one of one for this search box. Okay, perfectly it is showing working fine. But when you copy paste this code, just imagine, okay, just imagine this is not working. Just for the time being, just imagine that it is not working. Okay, in that case, what you will do actually? Okay, in that case, what you will do? Okay, here my question it is, you are giving something which is the XPath you have constructed here. Okay, it is working in the Chrome toolbar, which is inspect element. But when you copy paste that code, the same XPath in the Eclipse, right, it is not working. Then now you don't know what to do, because XPath is working, but it is not working when you are executing. In that case, what you have to do? Okay, very rarely I am telling you, right, it's a very rare situation. Whenever you are XPath or by.id or by.name or by.class name, it is not working properly for a one particular web element. In that case, what you have to do is you have to use the JavaScript executor. We have to use the JavaScript executor. Okay, so now what I am doing actually here, I am able to enter the data, but I am unable to fetch the data. Here the problem solving here it is, you are finding this element. Just imagine this is working for entering the data. like I am typing Colgate here. Okay, it is working fine, Colgate. But now what I want actually, I want to fetch that value. To fetch that value, what I have to use? I have to use the driver dot find element dot get text. But that is not working properly. In that case, what you have to do? Okay, in that case, what you can do it is you can use the JavaScript executor. Nothing but you can use JavaScript inside our Java. You can use JavaScript inside our Java. Okay, what is the meaning of that one? The meaning of that one here it is, see this JavaScript executor JS, okay, is equals to JavaScript executor driver. Okay, we have to buy out this one. That's it. There is no other option. This is not our regular creation of the object. Actually, this is something different, creation of the object. Okay, and the next one it is in the line number 27. String. I am writing a string here. Okay, string exe, some name actually. I am creating a string. How I am creating the string? You can see here. Return document dot get element by ID. Return document dot get element by ID input value. I'm telling like this. Okay. In the earlier, what I did actually, driver dot find element. In our Selenium, we are using the driver dot find element. Here, what I am using, see the difference. Document dot find element by ID. Here, driver dot find element by ID or XPath, whatever it is. Here, I am using the ID here. Okay. And then I am passing the input something here like this. But here I am passing the input like this. I'll do one thing. I'll modify the code like this. Instead of using XPath, right? I will use by dot ID. Now it will be more clear. See this. Here I am using the by dot ID. Here I am using the by dot ID, but like this. Document dot get element by dot ID. Inside this input, same thing I am using here. Okay. And then I am telling the dot value. I want to fetch the value, right? Earlier, what we are using dot get attribute of value. Here I am using dot value. I am telling the return the dot value. So which is exe. As of now, it is a string only. Okay. How to execute that? To execute that one, we have to use like this. JS. I have created a JS in line number 26. JS dot execute script and get the and pass this exe and then store the value in the string. Okay. And I am printing that one. So whatever I am entering over here, right? It is printing by using this line. See this, I know it is a little difficult to understand. Why? Because this is a different code. This is not our Java code. This is a JavaScript code. We are using in a Java with Selenium driver dot find element by dot ID, something like that. Here it is document actually. Okay, document dot find element. Okay, by ID, something like that. Over there in the Selenium, if I wanted to fetch any value from the any edit boxes set, I have to use get attribute value. But here I am using just a dot value. That's the difference actually. So see here, it is printing whatever I have written the command, and then it is printing the value, the one which is showing on the screen. Okay, it's like that. So a simple command, we just need to buy her. But I'm telling you, right? If someone is asking, right, you are unable to find the, you are able to find the element using Chrome inspect element. Okay, but when you are working with the Selenium code, right, it is not working. What is your approach? Just a simple answer. It is by using JavaScript executor, I can work on that one. Okay, so just tell that one, that is enough. They don't ask any other question. They don't ask you to write this entire thing. You don't need to buy hard. Okay, you need to buy hard when you are writing the code. Otherwise, you can copy paste the code. That is also fine. Okay, just remember this class name, JavaScript executor. That's it. Okay, if you tell this one right, that's it. They'll impress immediately. Yeah. So, how many of you understand this one? Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Good, right? Excellent, man. So I think you may be feeling difficulty, right? From last 2 days, as I am giving the interview programs. Maybe before day before yesterday, I think till that one you are good. How is yesterday and today? This is only for the interview programs actually. How you are feeling? Does it hard or else it is easy or it is okay? If I practice more, I can understand how you are feeling.
If we practice more, we can.
Instead of on practicing, sir.
Yes. Because when I am telling, right, you may be feeling okay. But when you're practicing that, then you will face the difficulties. You have to face the difficulties and you have to understand the difficulty and you have to resolve that one. Okay. Just behind that one. So normally normally when you are loving a girl or boy, right, what we'll do, we'll try to impress them. Okay. Like the same, you try to impress yourself with your code. Use your intelligence. Okay. And then try to understand. Okay. I'm teaching, but sometimes some people may be under, some people may not be understanding. Okay. So the person who is not understanding that, listen the recording again, practice again. If still don't, right, you can ask me. Okay. So I got 2-3 email addresses, which is Pranita and Rohit. Okay. I will check actually why it is not received.
Sir, excuse me.